Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to cash out. During the checkout process, use the input field to enter the amount that has to be paid. Note, include the tip amount if the guest wants to add a tip. After adding the input, select the guest's preferred payment method. Note, the payment methods may differ, depending on your settings for the payment methods menu. A pop-up will appear asking you how you want to handle the excess payment. By selecting Change, you can hand back the excess payment as change. By selecting Tip, all the excess payment will be registered as a tip. To only partly register the excess payment as tip, tap on Custom Tip. If you tap on Decide Later, Keep Order Open, you keep the change that the guest has given you, but the order will not be closed. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to cash out.